Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, February 18th, and we're going to take a look here at Nike. Now, this is a trade we're currently in right now. Although we've already taken off partial profit, we got long yesterday, and I posted this up on X as well. If you're not on X, you need to be following me there at Trades with Tom, because I post a lot of these trades up there. But this was a breakout, so we got long on the break of 64.50 yesterday on the pivot high. And then we had this trend line we were looking for. And with the strong close we had yesterday, we expected it to follow through today. It ended up doing just that. And we've come all the way up to our first target in between 66 and 66.50. So the next step for Nike, this actually has potential to keep running quite a bit. And this is one of the reasons I'm keeping the majority of my position on right now, even though it's already moved our direction. That's because if you look here, you have a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder for potential inverted head and shoulders. And all we need to do is see this get above these middle pivots here. So there's a bit of resistance at 66.50, at 67, and then again up at 69. We get through all that, we should be good for push up through the $70 level and potentially all the way up to like 75 area. But this could just be getting started on Nike. I like the way the pattern looks. I like that we formed this base. We had this double bottom above 60. I like that we broke the trend line and broke the pivot highs. And this is another one of those stocks that when the market's rotating, we're seeing this big rotation out of tech, and we have been for weeks. This is one of those stocks that can outperform while tech underperforms as money rotates into more quote-unquote safe haven type stocks. So overall, working fairly well so far. Like I said, I still have majority of my position on right now and looking to swing this, assuming nothing changes, assuming we can stay above like 60, 65.50 area today. But that's it for now. I hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.